Congratulations! You're getting a smart meter. The installation will be quick and easy. It shouldn't take much more than an hour. You'll get a 4-hour time slot, and our engineer, let's call them Sam, will let you know when they're on their way. There are 2 helpful things you can do before they arrive. Clear the area around the meter and have the key to the meter cupboard ready, if there is one. Someone over 18 will need to be at home to let Sam in and be there during the installation. Sam will need to switch off your power, but only for a short while. And that's it! Your smart meter will be up and running. Sam will explain how it works and show you how to see your energy use in real time through the in-home display, our app, or your online account. You'll even get some energy-saving tips for free.